Ever feel like your United account is stuck on repeat? You log in, see the same balance, and wonder how everyone else seems to be raking it in on the platform. Well, fret no more, fellow United users. Today, we're diving deep into strategies that can transform your United experience from meth to moneymaker. Let's face it, United offers a ton of flexibility. But with so many options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and unsure of how to maximize your earnings. Here's the good news: there are several approaches you can take, depending on your skills and interests. Buckle up, because we're about to unlock the hidden potential of your United account. Strategy number 1. Become a master of microtasks. Microtasks are those quick, bite-sized jobs that might not pay a fortune individually, but can seriously add up over time. We're talking data entry, transcription, surveys, and simple content creation. The beauty of microtasks is that they're often flexible, allowing you to squeeze in some earnings during commutes, lunch breaks, or even while watching TV, commercials, not the show. Here's how to dominate the microtask scene on United. Specialize. Focus on a specific type of microtask you excel at. This increases your accuracy and completion speed, making you more attractive to clients. Be efficient. Time is money. Develop a system to complete tasks quickly and accurately. Templates, hotkeys, and keyboard shortcuts can be your best friends. Maintain a high rating. Clients prioritize reliable users with strong ratings. Focus on delivering high-quality work consistently. Strategy number 2. Content is king and queen. Do you have a way with words? Can you whip up captivating visuals? United offers a wealth of content creation opportunities, from writing articles and blog posts to designing graphics and creating videos. Here's how to turn your content skills into United earnings. Identify your niche. What topics are you passionate and knowledgeable about? Building a niche helps you attract clients who value your expertise. Showcase your skills. Create a strong profile on United that highlights your experience and past work. Deliver value. Focus on creating content that's informative, engaging, and solves problems for your target audience. Strategy number 3. Level up your skills and expertise. Investing in yourself can be one of the best ways to boost your United earnings potential. Consider taking online courses, attending workshops, or even pursuing certifications in your chosen field. Here's how to upskill and command a higher premium on United. Identify in-demand skills. Research what types of services are most sought after on United. Invest wisely. Choose courses or certifications that directly translate to higher-paying gigs on the platform. Market your expertise. Update your profile to reflect your newfound skills, and actively reach out to potential clients. Strategy number 4. The power of collaboration. United isn't just a solo act. Collaborate with other users to tackle larger projects or offer unique combined services. This can open doors to more lucrative opportunities you might not be able to access alone. Here's how to leverage collaboration on United. Network. Connect with other users on the platform and participate in United forums or communities. Find synergy. Look for users who complement your skill set. Together, you can offer a more comprehensive package to clients. Communicate effectively. Establish clear roles and responsibilities with your collaborators to ensure smooth project execution. Remember, consistency is key. The more actively you participate in the United ecosystem, the more established your profile will become. Don't be afraid to experiment, explore different types of gigs, and refine your approach based on your experience. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep maximizing those United earnings.